Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is February 25th, 2026, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from Southwest Gas Holdings. Joining us is John, Senior Analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Southwest Gas Holdings has just released their fourth quarter and full year 2025 financial results, and there's a lot to unpack, from their net income performance to strategic initiatives for 2026 and beyond.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Southwest Gas Holdings reported a net income of $104.9 million for the fourth quarter of 2025. John, how does this compare to last year?
That's a solid performance, showing an $18.1 million increase in net income from continuing operations compared to the fourth quarter of 2024. The adjusted net income also saw an increase, reaching $98.7 million, which is an $11.9 million improvement year over year. This growth is primarily driven by a higher operating margin, which stood at $412.5 million for the quarter.
And what about their earnings per share?
The earnings per share for the quarter came in at $1.43, which is a notable increase from $1.28 in the same period last year. This reflects the company's strong operational performance and effective cost management strategies.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. John, analysts had forecasted an EPS of $1.40 for this quarter. How did Southwest Gas Holdings perform against this expectation?
Interestingly, the adjusted EPS came in slightly below the forecast at $1.36. While the company did not meet the analyst's expectation, it's important to note that the forecast was based on a survey of just one analyst. The slight miss doesn't overshadow the overall strong financial performance and strategic progress the company has made.
So would you say the market reaction might be tempered by this slight miss?
Yes, the market might react cautiously to the EPS miss, but the broader financial health and strategic initiatives of Southwest Gas Holdings are likely to maintain investor confidence.
Strategic initiatives and future outlook. Moving on to strategic initiatives, Southwest Gas Holdings has announced a 4% increase in their common stock dividend. What does this indicate about their future outlook?
This dividend increase is a strong signal of the company's confidence in its financial stability and future growth prospects. It reflects their successful transition to a fully regulated natural gas business and their commitment to returning value to shareholders.
And what about their guidance for 2026 and beyond?
For 2026, Southwest Gas Holdings has provided an EPS guidance range of $4.17 to $4.32. They also plan to invest approximately $1.25 billion in capital expenditures. Looking further ahead, they anticipate a compound annual growth rate in their rate base of 9.5% to 11.5% through 2030, driven by strategic projects like the Great Basin expansion.
Operational efficiencies and risk management. John, let's talk about operational efficiencies. How has Southwest Gas Holdings managed to maintain a strong return on equity?
The company reported a utility return on equity of 8.8% and an adjusted ROE of 8.3%. This is a result of their disciplined regulatory strategy and effective cost management. Their focus on infrastructure investment and customer growth has also played a crucial role.
And what about their financial health and risk management?
Southwest Gas Holdings has a solid financial position with a funds from operations to debt ratio of 18.6%. Their credit rating was upgraded to BBB+, which reflects their strong credit profile and ability to manage debt effectively.
CEO statements and strategic vision. Finally, let's discuss the statements made by the company's leadership. What did CEO Karen Haller emphasize in her remarks?
Karen Haller highlighted the company's successful execution of their 2025 financial and strategic priorities. She emphasized their disciplined regulatory strategy, effective cost management, and the completion of their separation from Centuri. Haller also pointed out the continued customer growth, with 37,000 new meter sets added in 2025, and the strategic importance of the Great Basin Expansion Project, which involves a $1.7 billion investment.
It sounds like Southwest Gas Holdings is well positioned for future growth.
Absolutely. Their strategic vision and focus on regulatory and customer predictability are key drivers for their anticipated growth in the coming years.
Key takeaways. In summary, Southwest Gas Holdings has delivered a strong financial performance for the fourth quarter and full year of 2025. Despite a slight miss on the EPS forecast, the company's strategic initiatives and future outlook remain robust. John, thank you for your insights today.
Thank you for having me. It's been a pleasure discussing Southwest Gas Holdings' performance and prospects.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth financial analyses. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Southwest Gas Holdings' performance, so leave a comment below. Until next time.